How to add custom mockup image to Printify. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom mockup image to Printify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Printify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Printify, it is a print-on-demand platform that allows entrepreneurs, artists, and businesses to create and sell custom products without needing to manage inventory or handle shipping, in which it connects users with a global network of print providers who handle the printing, packaging, and delivery of products such as t-shirt, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and many more. With its easy-to-use design tools and integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and many more. To create an account, just click the link in the description or click the sign up button. After filling out the required information, you will be directed in here on your Printify account. And it will show us in here our account dashboard. But to create a mockups, we can use this platform called canva.com. And in here on the left side panel, Canva, just click apps. And it will show you on the left side panel the other option and just choose mockups. By clicking on it from here on the right side panel, the next thing that we need to do is to simply search which kind of product we want to create a mockups with. You can choose, for example, I'm going to enter here a t-shirt. Upon entering here or searching the t-shirt, you should be able to see a variety of result of images of the mockups that we can use to add our design with. So you can use or choose here by clicking on any of these images or the sample model and many more. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. By clicking on it, it will show us this option, select. So kindly do it. Upon clicking select button, just simply upload your design in here. I'm going to click upload files from my computer and choose here the files. It is automatically being uploaded. So I'm going to simply click this one. It has a Labor Day on it, a design, and just click next button. Upon selecting it, you should be able to see the result. You can add, adjust the image, or save the mockups in right here. And I'm going to simply save the mockups or download it in here in our Canva. So make sure to simply add it in our catalog in our Printify. After downloading it, just go to the catalog and choose here, for example, the t-shirts. And choose here the kind of shirts you also want to add your design with. For example, in here in all of this option, I'm going to choose this one. By clicking on it, you should be able to see here all of the overview, including the description of it, the sizes available, the kind of variations, the material that has been used, the size guide, and many more. And now to start designing this t-shirt, just choose here this button, start designing. By clicking on it, you'll be directed on this page. So from here, you can start uploading the design by clicking upload button on the left side panel and click my device and just choose on your computer files the design. It will automatically being uploaded in here and it will show you the result. From here, you can customize or simply navigate on the corner of it to resize it and fit it in this t-shirt. It will show you what it looks like. If you're now done saving it, or you can add more text, you can navigate on the left side panel. By clicking save product button, the next thing that we need to do is to simply add it to our store. However, we need to select the mockups, which is to upload the mockups that we just use or download from Canva. So to do it, kindly click start publishing button below here. By doing so, it will automatically be directed us on this page, and it will show us that we can start clicking upload button in here to upload a mockups. So just choose the mockups file that we just created on Canva, which is this one. If you're now done, you could also replace previous mockup selection or not. However, I'm not going to simply replace it by this. So I'm going to simply upload it right here and click the continue button. And as you can see, it may take time also to upload this kind of mockups, and you could also select here some other models that you prefer to add with. So now by clicking continue button, it will automatically being added in our my upload section or to our mockups. It is divided either Printify mockups and my uploads. So basically this mockups is important since you will be able to see by the customer how the design looks like if it has been wearing by a human or in real life in here. It basically gives the seller or customer a clear, realistic preview of how the design will look on a product before it is printed. So if you're not done, you can now click Save Selection and start publishing this product in here. And overall, that is just basically how you can add custom mockup image to Printify. Thank you.